to undertake OEM orders. We focus on with clients to establish long-term cooperative partnership with rich experience, the innovation ability, strong R&D team, quickly response to customer demand, provide customized products and professional services to help customers achieve business success. The company has introduced advanced professional equipment, equipped with advanced processing and testing center, scientific and standardized management, products with high-quality materials, the quality of the industry standards and export requirements, and won the favor of many domestic and foreign merchants. The company with professional team, rigorous management, focus on creating a modern brand measuring tools and precision measuring instruments. The company always adhered to the quality, innovation, cost, performance of the 3 horse thought as the enterprise guidelines. In the hardware industry, has established a competitive advantage and experienced professional production and marketing team on the basis of good products to ensure the